Okay, our power's down all around our village, and what with isolating and obviously the power being down at the same time, but I've decided to give myself a challenge. And on this channel I use a lot of power tools like welder, bandsaw, drill press, all that kind of good stuff, trying to make something without using power tools for a change. And I kind of had the idea of making, like, you've probably seen them before on YouTube if you watch this kind of stuff, like marking knives. So instead of using like pencils and stuff, people use this knife to kind of scratch a line into whatever it is they're trying to cut or chisel out. So yeah, enjoy. So I actually just popped back inside for about 5 seconds just to get this hoodie. TV's come on and we got power again, so yeah. All that means though, we're still going to do it. Have the power turn on at the bottom. So I'm probably just going to use this and this. Now we can also listen to jams while we work. Don't make fun of that either, because I don't own AirPods yet. I think I'm going to go to 1000 grit and then just kind of leave it there. In the end, I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. I mean, I cut myself on it, so it is pretty sharp. It was pretty much to the bone, but you know, we're quite strong. I promise. I didn't cry. I don't really see the points in these things when you can just use pencil. But then again, I guess that's kind of finer than a pencil, so. Although the saw would probably cut the same either way, so it doesn't really matter. But it was fun. I made that You can see this video ending up just being a jumble of cut pieces of me trying to talk because I don't know what to say. But yeah, marking knife with no power tools.
Wow.
Okay, bye. This would look quite good